Hi, this is Amy at Sharky's Floral. As I was making this arrangement, it reminded me to give you guys a tip to use your local florist and not the online florist that you sometimes see. The reason being is we know our customers. We want to get to know our customers. The gentleman that ordered this bouquet wanted a beautiful birthday bouquet for his wife, and he said that she likes oranges and whites. Most orange flowers are very bold orange, like think birthday or hunting. Knowing his wife and having been able to meet her and ask her what she likes, I made some notes, and she likes more of the cream colors and the peaches, a little bit more soft and elegant. So I know that she's gonna love this bouquet for her birthday, and I know that he's gonna be very happy that she loves it. She would like any flower that he gave her, really, but I really wanted something that she would look at in awe and say, oh, that's exactly what I love. So just as a reminder, as we're getting closer for Valentine's Day, use your local florist. Talk to them. Women, if your men or friends use the florist, go in and say, I like all the flowers, I'm not picky, but these are my favorites. Or maybe these are not my favorites. Maybe somebody doesn't like the rose. And us knowing that we can put notes into the account and keep track of that so that you get a bouquet that you're truly pleased with it. Have a great day.